Hey everyone, so I've got my gamer office chair here. I just got it here and I want to go ahead and show you some of the features. What really struck me right away is that all this embroidery here, it's all nice and gold. We've got some here on the back seat. We've got it on the headrest and the lumbar support too. And if you can see here in this quilted design, I mean, this is all sewn in on the seat and on the backrest. Now, one thing to know about this, these are removable. We've got our lumbar support, which actually has a vibrator in there, a massager. You just plug in a power bank or any power source like that to go ahead and plug that in. It's going to vibrate. And then, of course, we've got our headrest here. Of course, these can be removed and adjustable. It just has these straps here. All you do is unclip it, and then you're ready to go. It's just really easy to do. Also, it does have a foot support here, and it's outlined all in gold. So it does have a lever right here. You just pull that up and start leaning back. And if you'll notice, the armrests too, they lean back also. I mean, it leans so far back, you could take a nap on this, no problem whatsoever. And then we have a lever right here on the side that helps you adjust the height. So this is all around great chair. I'm really happy with it. I just love the design. It just really pops with all this gold against the black. And then of course the quilted design. Hope you found this review helpful.